we are starting with illustration 6 of bills of exchange on page number 286. Now before starting the bills of exchange sum, what we have to do? We have to identify who is drawer and who is drawee. So in this sum, Nisha sold goods to Asha worth rupees 34,000. So what is the characteristics or features of drawer? ड्रॉवर को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? जो बिल बनाता है वो ड्रॉवर, जो गुड्स सोल्ड करता है वो ड्रॉवर, या जिसको पैसा लेना है वो ड्रॉवर. सो इन दिस केस निशा सेलिंग गुड्स टू आशा, तो निशा ड्रॉवर है और आशा ड्रॉवी है. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट विल नोट इट डाउन, हु इज ड्रॉवर एंड हु इज ड्रॉवी. द नेक्स्ट वी आर राइटिंग इन हुज बुक्स. So in the last they have written that prepare journal of Nisha. So we have to write in the books of Nisha, that is in the books of drawer. Now we start with the sum. Nisha sold goods to Asha worth rupees 34,000. So it's a normal entry. Drawee account debit to sales account. Asha to sales 34,000. Asha paid rupees 10,000 immediately. So entry, we have received some money from our drawee. Cash account debit to Asha account 10,000. As I said to you earlier, we'll go line by line. हम एक एक लाइन या एक एक स्टेटमेंट को रीड करेंगे और उसकी एंट्री पास करेंगे. सो कैश हमको 10,000 रुपया मिला आशा से. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू आशा 10,000. नाउ वी कंटिन्यू. Accepted the bill for the balance rupees 24,000 at 2 months. So over here we'll pass the entry for bill drawn and accepted, that is bill receivable account debit to Asha account. पैसे की जगह पे क्या मिला? बिल मिला. and bill receivable to drawee, that is Asha 24,000. यहाँ पे हमको डेट्स नहीं दिया है, सो विल राइट द नॉर्मल नंबर 1 2 3. Nisha discounted the bill with Bank of Maharashtra after 1 month at 15% per annum. By reading this line, we'll know which case it is. It is a bill discounting case, that is case number 2. So immediately when you identify it is of which case, you will just recollect the entries of that particular case. Over here case 2, bill discounting. So what is the entry for bill discounting? Bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable. First note down the entry, then we'll go on to the how we'll arrive at the amount. Amount कैसे find करना है बाद में देखते हैं, पहले entry लिख लीजिए. Bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable. Now bank will charge certain discount, that is interest to us. How we'll find it out? See, we have drawn a bill total for 2 months. हमने आशा को 2 महीने का टाइम दिया है. हम बैंक के पास 1 महीने के बाद गए हैं. क्या लिखा है? निशा डिस्काउंटेड अ बिल विद बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र आफ्टर 1 मंथ. टोटल बिल 2 महीने का है. हम बैंक के पास 1 महीने के बाद गए, तो बैंक का जो पैसा है वो हमने सिर्फ 1 महीना यूज किया है. कितना महीना? सिर्फ 1 महीना. 2 महीने का टोटल बिल था. बैंक को हमने जब भी डिस्काउंट किया वहां से 1 महीने के बाद बैंक को पैसा मिल जाएगा. सो बैंक विल चार्ज डिस्काउंट ओनली फॉर 1 मंथ. सो 24,000 into 15 upon 100 into 1 upon 12. When we calculate this, we'll get a discount of rupees 300 and balance amount bank will pay to us. बाकी का पैसा बैंक हमको दे देगी. And bill receivable is of rupees 24,000. Suppose now bill is total of 3 months. We have discounted with bank after 1 month. So over here it will be 2 upon 12. We have used the bank's money for 2 months. So accordingly this particular month upon 12 will get depend on for how many months total bill is there. Over here it is 2 months. 1 month we have discounted after 1 month, so we have used the bank's money only for 1 month. So 1 upon 12. By doing this, you will get 300. Balance amount bank will pay to us, and the 24,000 is total bill receivable. So bank discount to bill receivable. Then you will write the amount. Now continue. The bill was dishonored on the due date. We are on case number 2. Case number 2, dishonored entry. Drawee to bank. Correct? So over here, Asha to bank. Now what about the amount? See, this particular entry number 4 is the transaction between you and bank. It is nothing to do with drawee. This particular transaction is between you and bank. You have drawn the bill on the Asha. Then you need some money on urgent basis. You go to the bank. आप बैंक के पास गए, आपने पैसा ले लिया. So ये जो ट्रांजेक्शन है वो आपके और बैंक के बीच में है. इसमें ड्रॉवी का कोई रोल नहीं है. अब तारीख पे ड्रॉवी ने पैसा नहीं दिया, तो बैंक आपके पास आएगी और आपको बैंक को पूरा पैसा देना पड़ेगा. That is 24,000. So dishonored entry, the bill and amount will be of original bill amount, that is 24,000. So dishonored entry, draw it to bank, and amount will be of original bill amount. The bill was dishonored on the due date. We have passed entry number 5. Asha requested Nisha to accept rupees 4,000. So Asha will pay us 4,000, cash to Asha 4,000, and interest in cash on remaining amount at 11% annum for 3 months. So now we'll charge interest. What is the entry for interest due? Asha account debit to interest account. The amount balance is 34,000 का सेल किया था, 10,000 रुपया इमीडिएटली मिल गया. उसके बाद ये एंट्री काउंट में नहीं लेना है. दिस इज द ट्रांजैक्शन बिटवीन यू एंड बैंक. 24,000 का पैसा नहीं दिया. देन she has paid us 4,000. So 24 में से 4,000 मिल गया. बैलेंस इज 20,000. On that 11%. For how many months? 3 months. We are again drawing a new bill for additional 3 months. So by giving extra time, we are charging interest for 3 months. By calculating this, we will get the amount of rupees 550. This is a interest due entry. Asha to interest. Now how you are going to receive this interest? It is mentioned interest in cash. So again we will pass one more entry. Cash account debit to Asha account rupees 550. Nisha agreed, and for the balance, Asha accepted a new bill at 3 months. So now Nisha again will prepare a new bill for rupees 20,000. Bill receivable to Asha, new bill drawn 20,000. But Asha became insolvent. Whenever renew or insolvent words come, you have to first pass the dishonored entry. So Asha became insolvent, so she is unable to pay the full amount of rupees 20,000. So first we'll pass our dishonored entry of case 1. So this is the entry of dishonored. So we have made a new bill. हमने नया बिल बनाया था, नया बिल वापस कैंसल्ड भी हो गया. Asha became insolvent and only 40% could be recovered from her estate. Total पैसा जितना बाकी था लेने का, उसमें से सिर्फ 40% मिलेगा. So cash account debit. So we are your debtor. Basically Asha is your debtor. So debtors के पास से अब पैसा नहीं मिलने वाला है. Bad debts, cash account debit, bad debts account debit to Asha account. So this will be your entry. Bills receivable नहीं आएगा. बिल रिसीवेबल आपने यहाँ पे बनाया, यहाँ पे कैंसिल किया, अब वो पिक्चर में नहीं है. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, बैड डेब्ट्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू आशा अकाउंट. टोटल अमाउंट रिकवरेबल इज 40%. 20,000 का 40%, which comes to 8,000. बैलेंस 20,000 का 60% 12,000 एंड नाउ आशा का अकाउंट हमने यहाँ पे क्लियर कर दिया. So this is how you will pass the entry line by line.